Keep your bill pay settings secure and up to date by reviewing your payment accounts and permissions. After completing bill pay onboarding, your default payment account is already set. To review or make changes, go to Bill Pay, More Options, and then Settings. Under Payments, confirm that the correct bank account is enabled. If needed, you can connect additional accounts or remap your accounting system's cash account so your ledger stays accurate by going to Manage Bank Accounts or Manage Account Settings. Next, go to the Permissions tab. By default, only admins and owners see the Bill Pay tab. To grant access to another user like an AP clerk, select their name from the dropdown and assign the AP clerk role. They'll be able to view, create, and edit bills while admins remain the only ones who can release payment. You can also manage optional settings like letting approvers edit coding, allowing vendors in the Ramp vendor network to send invoices directly, or enabling expedited payments for a fee. If you're on Ramp Plus, automatically batch bill payments here. If you have multiple entities, remember you must edit the settings for each entity in order to pay bills from the correct bank account. Review your bill pay setup now to keep your payment process secure and accurate.